Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from Creations. Welcome to the no bra zone. Sorry about this sunlight, guys. It's starting to go down, the sun, and a little bit of it is coming through my window over there. You know, let me see if I can fix that. That's better. Yay, just close the blinds. It works every time. I'm working today on a, gosh, I don't know what size this is, a 12 by 14 maybe, and it is a reused canvas, and it's been texturized. You can see the different sheens because different molding paste, different crackle paste have a different sheen, but it's got some texture. What I do is if I decide that I'm not a super fan of something I did and it's too late to scrape it and start over, I generally put some gesso down and then some texture and put it in a corner for days, weeks, months, and sometimes I just grab it and decide to do something on it. And that's what we're doing today. I'm playing, I'm experimenting. I'm going to be doing some swiping. I'm going to be doing some blowing with my handy dandy cordless blow dryer that you charge right here with your little phone charger. My friend Geneva Baker from Geneva Baker Designs gave this to me at my Patreon gathering, and it's like my new favorite thing. I dust off my paintings with it. I blow my debris and clippings into corners on the floor and then vacuum it up. And I've not used it to move paint really. I have used it to move alcohol ink. So we will see. I might make a big old mess. We will see. But I am working with a lot of leftovers, and unfortunately I don't know what some of these are. These are leftovers from the Patreon event, but that's a beautiful, beautiful blue. Let's take a close look at it. Oh, there's a note on it. It says Shoreline. This is one of the paints I believe Amy McKeon used when she was doing her cloud pour demo, but let's take a look at that consistency. It leaves a little bit of a mound before it quickly kind of dissipates into the paint below. And they're all roughly the same consistency. Don't have any idea what this one is. It says 8.5. That means nothing to me. But it's a lovely, lovely paint. And I might need to add just a squirt of water to this one to get it down to the same consistency as the other one. Here's another, no name. I might not use this. As you can see, it's got a bit of a purple hue to it. Not that I have anything against purple, but I'm going to think on that one. Another paint, have no idea what it is from this leftover container, but it's a lovely, lovely green. This I do know what it is because I mixed it up. This is this little Piggy, and that is their Lily Pad. Beautiful, beautiful pigment. Probably one of my favorites. And Amsterdam Standard Series, this is the Prussian Blue. So we're going to be fiddling. What I think I'm going to do is add a bunch of colors up at the top and blow it around, hopefully very carefully, because this thing has 4 speeds and it can be very, very powerful. And then I think I'm going to swipe the bottom section. If I do decide to swipe right here, I have the secret sauce, that is Amsterdam Titanium White, and this paint, and only this paint, is mixed with Aussie Floetrol. 1 part paint to 2.5 parts Aussie Floetrol. We don't need much, and this paint is actually thinner than the other paints. These paints over here are all mixed with a healthy squirt of the Golden GAC 800 and then American Floetrol. And that is it. A little bit of water in the Amsterdam paint because that's a heavier body paint to thin it down to roughly the same consistency as the other paints. I'm going to play. I've got some I can't say it. I got some alcohol here, 91% in a spray bottle. I also have some distress spray stain by Ranger called Picket Fence. I might use these. I don't know. I'm playing. I'm trying to do some different things. see what happens if you do this instead of that. And that's kind of what I've been all about these days. I'm going to be swiping with my handy dandy Bounty paper towels. I wet the bottom inch of them. I stack about 7 of them together because that's my lucky number. Squirt the bottom with some water, flip them over, squirt the other side with some water, and then cut them to whatever size I want to swipe with. So simple, easy breezy, thin paints. Bounty paper towels, they're the right weight. What else? Beautiful colors, beautiful pigments, beautiful paints. Yeah, let's get busy.
Days of romantic prose and lilac wine. Nights out under the sky, watching stars align. Days of making sweet honey, Melissa. As warm as your breath on my chest.